Hey guys, so I don't know what I'm gonna eat. One sec. So I made food the other day, so I'm gonna ask my sister if I can have her food. Yes, so guys, she doesn't want it. Yes, I'm gonna have her dinner. So I'm just gonna have that with my tea. If I don't drive it as much as I should, I just turn it on, let the engine run for a while so it doesn't seize up. Oh, it's so cold. Like, my house is usually quite warm, but we painted the radiator, so can't really turn it on just now because the painting isn't dry. Yeah, it's still not dry, guys, so you know, it's gonna be cold. I'm supposed to be going out today. I don't know what's happening because I'm supposed to be going to the Christmas market with my stepbrother. Unfortunately, you won't be seeing him because he doesn't like the camera. So we're gonna go to the Christmas markets and just have a look around. I'm gonna get ready in a bit after I have my toast and my tea, and then we'll go to the Christmas market, and then I'll see if I can get a few shots. By the way, my voice is like quite funny because I've still got like a cold on my chest. Guys, I might show you what I'm eating. Obviously you know what toast look like, but just in case. Actually, it's interesting to show you toast because some people like their toast quite burnt, some people like it medium, and some people just like the bread getting warm. I like my toast a bit medium. Yeah, this one is perfect, this one not so perfect.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, with your pack you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one, you'll be sure to know. Johnny wants a pair of skates, Susie wants a sled, Nellie wants a storybook, one she hasn't read. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give a rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, what you think is best. Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is
dress. I really love them.
You'll be sure to know.
Oh, they're so nice.
Johnny wants a pair of skates. Susie wants a sled. Nellie wants a storybook, one she hasn't read. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give a rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, what you think is best.
I'm not getting political. I just sing an Elvis song for you.
Is it? Thank you. Thanks for.
I won't let a good thing die. Well, you know, I'll never lie to you.